Hello, this is Jay from QuantumFlow, and today is Thursday, February 22nd, 2024. Please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at QuantumFlobyJTNC to receive daily market recaps when posted. Today, SPY kept up $7 and continued higher all day, closing up over $10 at 507.50. This historic move in less than 24 hours to a new all-time high is one for the record books and represents the largest single-day squeeze in history. That alone should be a major warning sign for all. Every major resistance level was broken. We've been reminding our members that the market remains bullish, and today put an exclamation mark on that point, all thanks to NVIDIA. In times like these, models tend to be useless. They're based on historical norms. So when the market makes history, they tend to go awry. Price becomes the driving force during this period. So recommend you trade what you see. For tomorrow, our model projects a range for SPY from 503 to 513. Today, QuantumFlow's overnight income surface exited its IBM trade, giving it did not participate in the monster rally. We also entered a new overnight trade on JBLU JetBlue, looking for the market to cool a bit tomorrow before moving higher. Pre-market, Tim noted, the market had plenty of open air above to make new highs. He stated 505 as a good place to take profits. And the market traded as high as 508.50. Below, Tim felt that 502.50 was a good spot to test, a logical spot before moving higher. And the market tested 503 and ripped higher from there. QuantumFlow's projected range for today was 488 to 502, and we blew through that high before the open. Dealer positioning had market makers buying 500 strike calls and selling the 503 calls. They cleaned up on this trade, even with the move to 508. To the downside, market makers had bought the 495 puts, which expired worthless. Tim sat on his hands all day in the play of the day service because our model avoids extreme days like today. He did exit a Pulte Homes PHM trade from yesterday, booking an over 17% profit in just a day. Let's take a look at dealer positioning for tomorrow. For Friday to the upside, dealers are selling 508 calls and 510 calls, implying the high is in for this week. We believe we will see higher prices in the morning, followed by a retracement to close below today's close. To the downside, dealers are selling 507 and 505 puts, also implying a floor in the 505 range. The 507 puts, they're selling in very small volume. So we really look at 505 as the floor, potentially. Again, after daylight today, expect some follow through, but not a massive reversal or a massive move higher. The market will take some time to digest where price is before picking a direction. For the next week, this is often useful to also look at. In purple, we see next Friday's expiry. And we do see dealers selling in very large quantities, 500 puts. This reinforces the thought that the market will in fact move higher from here and likely not go below 500 next week. While we have talked about seasonal weakness for 2 weeks, seasonality is not a trading model and should only be used in a broad context. The math, the QuantumFlow model, and the dealer's positioning are telling us prices are going to stay here and move higher. Of course, dealer positioning can and will change between today and next Friday, so be sure to check out QuantumFlow's pre-market commentary on our Discord channel, given the first 14 days of our service is free, and you will receive actionable updates before the open. Good luck and good trading.